Get some of this dust off so we can prime it. Alright guys, we got it primed up pretty good. There's a few spots where you can still see the wood grain, but it's got a nice coat of primer on it. We're going to dust it off with this Scotch-Brite one time, just to get any loose particles to fall off so they won't get in the base coat. Should be able to just touch the insides. Needed. Look at that. Alright, we got our first layer of base coat on here. I'm going to scuff it a little bit, and then we're going to hit it with another coat. Get that dust off there. Should be getting time to dip this bad baby. Whatever you do, don't tell my wife about this. The only place I could get access to warm water was our bathroom. So I put a tote in the bathtub and I put construction paper all around it. So hopefully I don't get any overspray on anything. If I do, hopefully it'll come off and the activator doesn't hurt anything. I think we're pretty good. I got it taped up pretty good. Right now, I got the water a little bit too hot. It's right around 90, I think it's like 98 degrees. We're gonna wait for it to cool off a little bit. The instructions say it needs to be between 80 and 90. So we're gonna let it cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna try to hydro dip this gun, guys. Kidding me, bro? What in the absolute is going on here? There's the first half. You can tell this film does not like to stretch. Even just coming around that curve, it stretched like crazy and almost gave away. That's why I couldn't dip the whole gun, I think. I think this film does not like to stretch at all. Just coming around those slight curves, you can see where it's starting to break up. But we got we got it on the bottom, so it looks good. I think she's gonna love that. It looks like we got one really bad spot up here. I might have to just touch that, or we'll just leave it as a highlight. Looks like a spot that broke away, that maybe had some contamination on it and the film didn't stick to it at all, or the film wasn't actuated. I don't know, this is my first time. We'll see. Let's go rinse this, then we'll do the other side. Looks good, looks good. Oh, I forgot to put my gloves on. Again. Alright, time to rinse it. Lots of bad spots in it, I see. But it's gonna look good. especially for a rookie hydro dip job. We got it done the best we could. This is like the second coat of clear that I'm about to put on now. Then I'm gonna go hit some golf balls, but I didn't record the whole thing, but we do have a coat of clear on here already. That's our third coat of clear. We'll let it sit. We're gonna go hit some golf balls, and we'll get a video of it when we get back.